Everyone, my name is Zaire Margianadet and Magno, and I will be discussing about the lesson for fifth of multimedia. So we all know that multimedia is composed of all the different elements. There are a lot of ways and resources that can be used in creating such kind of presentation. These sources will vary on what kind of multimedia will be created. Some presentation can be best described using more of still images or pictures, while others are into videos and movie clips. In some cases, when one is passionate about music and instruments, thousands of sound resources can be integrated in the presentation. When creating a multimedia, it is necessary to identify the needed files or objects and their sources. It is important to limit the time looking for unnecessary elements which cannot really be used in the presentation. Analyzing the quality and acknowledging sources are necessary later on. We need to acknowledge the sources because we can get copyrighted by the original authors of where we got the sources from. That's why it is important to credit them later on. Now, let's begin. Sources for text. Text can be sourced out from various references. This may include reference from print materials such as books, newspapers, journals, and articles. Articles and information that can be downloaded from the internet are also good sources of information, but we need to be careful evaluating because although content found on the internet is more massive than the books found in the libraries, not all information here are relevant. Some of the information that we can find in the internet may be false and not scientifically proven. Sources for images. Graphics or images, when used properly in a multimedia presentation, can contribute greatly to the better understanding of a concept and thought that the presentation wants to convey. The file format is also a major factor to consider since the quality of the image should be able to show all the details of the picture clearly. So, it is mentioned here that file format is important. We will be learning about that in the later on lessons. There are the types of images and several methods of obtaining them for use in creating multimedia presentation. However, when sourcing for images online, it is highly advised that a better understanding of copyrighted and Creative Commons licensing applications to be considered and applied. As I mentioned earlier, we need to be mindful of giving credits to the rightful owners. Some of us may get copyrighted and accused of plagiarism when we do not give the credits. Drawings. These are illustrations mostly drawn by hand in two-dimensional form. Basic drawing materials such as pencil, ball pen, colored pens, charcoal, water, crayons, and many others can be used to draw figures and objects. Drawing is the oldest existing method of presenting art. That is all for now. Remember, We should always fight our 4/5 that we got our multimedia from. Thank you.